Let me show you a really cool iPhone trick. Did you know you can actually turn any moment from a video into a sticker? It's super easy, and I'll walk you through the steps right now. First, open the Photos app and choose the video you want. This could be anything, maybe a funny moment of your pet, a clip of your friends, your favorite car, or even a hilarious scene you caught on camera. Next, play the video and pause it at the exact moment you want. That paused frame is going to be the base for your sticker. Now, here's the fun part. Long press on the object in that frame. Your iPhone will automatically detect it and separate it from the background. A menu will appear, and all you have to do is tap Add Sticker. Just like that, your sticker is saved into your keyboard collection. To use it, simply open up Messages or any other app that supports stickers. Switch to your sticker keyboard, find the one you just created, and send it right away. And that's it. In just a few seconds, you've turned a favorite video moment into a shareable sticker. It's super fun and really useful, especially if you want to add a personal touch to your messages. So go ahead and give it a try, and don't forget to follow for more quick iPhone and iOS tips.